Alright guys, here's an unboxing of the BoostLED reef clamp and bulb. Set this down for a second. Here, opening it. So I got the option color of the Alright, package is open. So, see the BoostLED, the information thing of my receipt. First, here is the bulb itself. As you can see, I got the 3 blue, royal blue, 1 cool light, and 1 neutral light. Signed and inspected by SM, his initials. And here we got the sleek looking reef clamp. Packaged nicely, so should be everything. So guys, checking. Lots of popcorn. Fun to play with, but messy. Oh, yeah, messy. So let me open this box. Here's a thing I can one-handed. That takes skill. See, inside it is further bubble wrapped with the standard socket bulb and the heat sink around the outside. You can't see it with the bubble wrap on. So yeah, there you go. One more look. Okay, but here is the bulb. Let's see if I can't show you this. Yeah, you can see it. The heat sink on the outside looks really nice. So yeah. Let me set it up. Alright guys, see now I did mount it. Looks nice. It would not stay when I mounted it normally, like the white on the back, so I had to mount it this way, and it works well. The color is not this blue color, like you see it's kind of like a Fiji purple. As you guys know who are in the hobby, that do try and film a fish tank with a lower grade camera that does not catch on to the colors very well. But yeah, as you can see, the damsel glows better, not as intense as you see. So that's it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.